So this is the US 30 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the top 30 stocks in that index. Now this is analysis has been done for Tuesday the 10th of October. So what have we seen happen in this market? We've gone into a bit of a consolidative range, which is pretty common for a Monday, especially after NFP. So what can we see here? Well, let's just see if we can zoom down a bit and get some perspective. Scaling isn't right, is it? Yes. So have we actually got up to 800, 799? Let's just see. 799. So we've pulled back from 22,800. We have pulled back quite a bit into the 700s. Hold on, let's make sure I've moved that. They fall back down into the 700s, but it's nothing to be too concerned about. As you can see, prices are still respecting the 22,742, which is our weekly pivot. So a lot above that, we remain bullish, especially in light of, if I have a look at the higher time frames, just have a quick look at that. So the higher time frames, if we look at the monthly time frame, like it pretty much speaks for itself. This market is in a very strong uptrend. With the last bearish month was, according to this, would have been in March this year. And let's just have a look at that one there in August to see where we opened at 21,019, and we closed at 21,968. So the last bearish month we had was in August, and if you look at the chart, it's pretty vertical. So if we go down to the weekly time frame, and let's just have another look at this chart. So again, the weekly time frame is something, it's pretty much the same really ever since the election of Donald Trump. The market has just pretty much gone up. We've had a few pullbacks here and there, but we've just pulled back into the 20 period moving average on the weekly time frame, which has acted as support and a further springboard for prices to go up. So last week we can see here that we did close pretty much at the market's highs. Let's just check that out just to see. So the highs were at 790 and we closed at, okay, we closed at 742. Oh, it's close enough. So I go down to the daily chart. Let's have a quick look here. On the daily chart, it's just pretty much your average trending pattern. We've got moves to the upside, pullbacks. We have had a couple of days of pullbacks, or it might be over a couple of weeks. Might be, I wouldn't say a couple of weeks. It might extend beyond a week or two. And the market has further added to its gains. So let's just go out to the hourly. Let's go back to the hourly. As you can see, I was expecting the 22,742. Well, the 22,742 is our weekly pivot, and we are trading above it, as mentioned previously. So I'm just waiting to see what prices do around 23,800 and 22,900, and ultimately 23,000. The ATR on the Dow tends to be quite high, so I'm over to 23,000 before Thursday is possible. It just depends on I suppose we're in earnings season as well, so it just depends what the earnings are like, as they are fundamental drivers of the markets and the stocks. So to the downside, my word, like to the downside, possibly looking at 20,658, and beneath that 20,581. Those are pretty big levels to the downside, but those are the only levels I can reasonably think of, especially after this long sustained run we've had in the US 30. So my overall bias is to the long side. I expect any move to the short side to be somewhat limited, unless we do have really bad earnings from some major players. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.